Alzheimer disease. It is included in the group of diseases which are responsible for production of dementia in human being. Dementia means that is loss of memory, cognitive capabilities, and the factors which are responsible for maintenance of the morale, character, thinking, emotions, and the language command. Actually, the exact cause which is responsible for the onset of Alzheimer's disease in human being is still under research, but there are certain hypotheses or theories which are narrated responsible for this disease. Genetic factor due to mutation in the genes, the defected genes, abnormal genes, they are responsible for production of changes in the DNA which produces the pathological process in the memory cells. In addition, there is family predisposition, which is family histories. In certain families, these are the factors inherited to the offsprings which causes the onset of Alzheimer's disease. Mostly this disease appears after the age of 60 years. That is a disease of elders ones. In addition to this, there is history of trauma to the brain which damage the neuron cells, produces inflammation, swelling, and disturb the conduction power of the axons and the production of the potential or electrical impulses which are conducted from neuron to neuron in the various centers of the brain. Obesity, diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol level, bad cholesterol in the blood, that produces atherosclerosis, that is deposition or plaques formation of the cholesterol and the fatty bad fat material in the vessels, that produces ischemia in the centers, memory cells, or the centers of the memory which are located mainly in the cerebral cortex and the hippocampus. So they suffer ischemia, lacks nutrition, oxygen, and they undergo insidious and prolonged progressive process of degeneration and the loss of memory. Ultimate result, that is the final stage of Alzheimer's disease. Lack of aerobic exercise, unhealthy diet, moreover psychological factors, stress factors, depression, anxiety, hallucination, illusions, delusions, all these psychogenic ailments, they also produces they are the risk factors for the onset of Alzheimer's disease. Moreover, food elements, they play a vital role, especially over drinking of alcohol and smoking habits of the tobacco. Tobacco smoke contains thousands of the irritants and the chemicals which are injurious for the health of the neurons. They produce damage and injury to the neurons, disturb their normal functions, and they are mostly causes the onset of the memory loss. Moreover, infection, especially the viral infection, that has been concluded that it is more responsible than the bacterial infection. Next is the weak immune system. The person with immunosuppressant personalities, the immune system is weak, that cannot counterattack the factors that produces plaques and tangles outside the neuron cells and the inside the neuron cells. which are responsible for the onset of this disease. So due to weak immune system, this pathology supersede and there is onset of Alzheimer's. The pathogenesis is there is a normal protein which is called as amyloid precursor protein, which is essential for the growth and the repair of the neurons. It is degraded. It is degraded into abnormal protein, amyloid beta protein, by the enzyme secretase alpha and gamma. And these amyloid beta protein produces forms plaques outside the neurons, and they produces impairment in the conduction of the impulses from the neurons via axons to the neighboring neurons. Similarly, there is also pathological changes within the cells of the neurons, within the body of the neurons, that is in DNA and although the mitochondria. There is a protein which is called a tau protein, which is essential for the function of the DNA and the other elements of the cells within the body cell. It is it is also changed and converted into the tangles, which produces degeneration within the cells. So outer side and inner side both they are defected one, and so the production of the impulses in the neurons they are reduced, impaired, and they are not passed on via the axon to the neighboring centers.